Dear Lisilo, I'm reconciling from Nkatla to Limpopo. I heard the lawyering business is booming there.
Dear Sthayi, I'm happy for you. Congrats.
Thanks. I'm going to be offering services such as bringing back lost love, Mtondo enlargement, and the tightening of the VJJ.
Dear Sthayi, I'm glad you are moving your business to greener pastures. Pun intended.
Ha! Lol. You are a funny ghost, Lisilo. Have you considered comedy?
No. The stage is not for me. I'm starting a career on writing Nigerian and UK lottery scams.
That's great. It's good to see the paranoia being moving with the times.
I know. Did you get my poem?
Yes, I enjoyed it. You are a ghost writer.
Lol. Oh, Sthayi, you are such a funny sangoma, you.
I'm approaching Mpumalanga. I'm going to lose signal. Sharp.